Paintball channel presents.
Then you stumble on the field.
Oh no!
The hopper shatters on the ground, all paintballs rolling out.
Paintballs
On the middle of the field, paintballs on the middle of the
Paintball sounds of the 80s. All your favorite paintball hits in one incredible collection.
Gave me a ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Paintball days are coming, this is where I'm going. The annex will announce the data. I don't care how much money I gotta spend. Got to get back to the pro field again. Paintball days are coming, this is where I'm going. The annex will announce the data. And they wrote me a letter, paintball couldn't live without me no more. Listen, mister, can't you see I got to get back to the annex once more. Anyway, hey. 99 mal extra Liebe, während ich am Boden liege. Der Ref stand einfach lachend da, weil so ein witziger Anblick war. Mein eigenes Team hat mitgelacht und einer sogar mitgemacht. Das gibt nachher richtig Hiebe für die 99 mal extra Liebe.
Get paintball sounds of the 80s for just $9.99 on YouTube, Facebook or Instagram. More than 500 videos of classic paintball hits.
Today will be my first time on a paintball field playing gotcha. I got a strange gun that makes me nervous. I go to the head ref for my instructions, and he says the barrel cover stays on the gun. It's not allowed to remove the mask. Can you hear the go-go? You better run, you better take cover.
And here is not the end. If you subscribe to us, we will continue collecting paintball hits for you.
Turn around, field closed.
This sign now is hitting me
Turn
hard.
around, field closed.
Every now and then I fall apart, but I wanted to play right now, and I need it more than ever, and I will pay the entry twice.
Sounds of Paintball is not sold in stores, so subscribe now to see the best paintball videos online.
You want to see more paintball? Then subscribe now here on YouTube or Instagram. You can also help us on Patreon or even easier via PayPal. So share this video and enjoy the paintball sound of the 80s. This is not a real product. Which hits of the 90s and 2000s should we sing for you? Write it down in the comments.